Hi there, we are back again. Back with the third Sudoku, a 3-star Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper on Friday. Friday, September the 25th, 2020. Yes, the third Sudoku is a 3-star Sudoku. And this one will be a number 1616. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Previous Sudoku has 26. This one, I think 25. Let me check if this is correct. 2 plus 4 is 6, plus 2 is 8, plus 2 is 10, 13, 16, plus 5 is 21, plus 3 is 24, plus 1 is equal to 25. Yes, correct. So let's get started. Let me see. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only place for the 9 should be there. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. So the 3 could be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in the first column, the only place for the 3 should be there. Then we have 3 missing numbers in the first column. Those numbers are the 4, the 7, and the 9. Look, we have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 9 should be there. 2 digits left in the first column for the numbers 4 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And then. How about the numbers? Let me see. 7, 3. 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place for the 6 should be there. Then we have one of the missing number in this big square is a 4. We see here 4, so no 4 in these 3 boxes, therefore no 4 in those 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only place for the 7 should be there. 1 number left in this row for the number 2. 2 is missing. 2 in this column, 2 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 7. 5 and 7, we see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So in the last row, only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 7. How about yeah, let me see. We have a 5 in the third row, 5 in the first row, so in the second row, the row between, only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 2, yeah, the third row, 4 missing numbers, 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 3. We have a 2 and a 3 in this big square, so no 2 and the 3 in those 2 boxes. The 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark them. 2 and a 3. That means the other 2 numbers in this row should be the 8 and the 9. 8 and the 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 3 places for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. These 2 numbers in this big square are reserved for the numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4, I cannot fill this yet. Need to mark them. 1 number left in this column for the number 1. These 2 numbers in this big square for the numbers 6 and 8. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 6 goes there. Then we have a pair here. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. Same story with the 3. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. So we have a 3 and a 6 here, 3 and a 6 there. That means the other 2 numbers in the middle row are reserved for the numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. So I mark them for you. 2 and 5. That means that 1 box left in this big square is for the number 1. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the middle column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in the middle column for the numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. 2 and 4. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Let me see. 8, 9, and 5. 8, 9, 5. Interesting. Now we have a 4 here. So this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be a 1. And now, 3. Yeah. 3, 8, 2, and 9. How about 3? How about the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 9. Yes, these 3 numbers in the last row. Those numbers are the 4, the 9, and the 5. And look, we have the 4 and the 9 here, so in this column, so no 4 and a 9 in these two boxes. The 4 and a 9 goes in those two boxes. So one number left in this last row for the number 5. 5 in this column, 5 in the last column, so the column between. Only place for the 5 should be there. These two numbers in this big square for the numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 4 in this, now we have a 4 here, so this box cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be the 9. Then. How about the numbers 2 in this row, 2 in the last row, so in the row between, only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next, so in the last column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. I've marked those two boxes with 2 and a 3. We have a 2 already in this big square, so no 2 there. The 3 should be here, and the 2 in this row should be there. Now we have a 2 here, so this can't be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2, and this should be the 5. How about yeah. 5 in this row, 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 9. 8 and 9, we see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 9. Yeah, 9 is missing. 9 in this column, 9 in that column, so the column between, only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 1 number left in this row for the number 1. 1 in this column, 1 in the last column, so the column between, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 number left in this column for the number 6, I believe, yes. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 8. We have a 3 here, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 6. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Now we have a 6 here, so this cannot be a 6 anymore. This should be the 6, and this should be a 3. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 3 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Finish in 40 minutes, exactly. A little bit slower than the previous one, but we have managed to solve this 3 Stars Sudoku. Alright, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you very, very soon with the 4 Stars Sudoku. So, see you later. Bye bye for now.